How to create discussion in Telegram channel. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to create the discussion on the channel you have created, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now simply find the channel that you have created. Just like this. After that, tap onto it. Now here you can find the name of the channel right here at the top. Select it. Then here you can find edit option right here. Tap on it. One thing to remember, you must be an admin to simply create a discussion in this channel. So here you can find discussion right here and tap on it. Simply choose one group that you want to create just like this and tap onto link group. And now you can see the discussion has been created and you can simply discuss the discussion. And that's it. This is how you can create discussion in Telegram channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.